Well, we keep going down this road of showers, embedded thunderstorms, and light showers. And that's going to be the case for, well, really this weekend and all of next week, as we have this big flow of moisture coming up out of the Gulf, and that's going to continue to act as fuel for this rain. Now, this rain continues to push on up, but it looks like, holy cow. But no, it's fairly harmless. We've had a couple of earlier lightning strikes around the area, but not much going on right now. Some around Raymondville, and some around Port Mansfield and Bayview, Port Isabel, but yeah, all that's pretty much died away, only to reignite again later on down the road. 75 degrees tonight, mostly cloudy, southeast wind 5 to 10 miles an hour. Yeah, we've had that forecast now for a couple of nights. And then tomorrow, 78 to 80 degrees, shower, thunder shower, possible, but then increasing, the chance increasing throughout the day. It's not going to rain all day, just like this. It rains, it just seems to pour for a minute or two, and then it moves on, and then another one comes along in a couple of hours. Yeah, the tropical showers are like buses. If you miss it, there'll be another one along in just a little bit. 88 degrees by 3 o'clock in the afternoon. There's a look at the forecast for the valley in detail, one end to the other for tomorrow. 85 along the island, and then temperatures 88 to 90 degrees pretty much throughout most of the valley. Those temperatures will be governed by cloud cover and by showers. The increasing chance for showers is best demonstrated by this graph, which shows as the day wears on tomorrow, the chance for rain will increase just like today. I think tomorrow is just going to be a carbon copy of today. And Futurecast backs me up on this. Overnight, not a lot going on, a little bit going on near the coast for the morning hours, that's 7 a.m., but then you move on into the afternoon, and voila, you end up with a whole lot more, a greater patchwork of showers and embedded thunderstorms. The embedded thunderstorms are expected to remain modest, even into next week's resurgence of activity, but they can still produce frequent lightning and heavy downpours, so that's worth noting. The Storm Prediction Center says, yeah, that thunderstorm activity is going to remain light to moderate. We're going to keep it in the general category, not the severe category. That's good news. That's on through tomorrow. And then again, we'll reset and see how things play out next week. Because Sunday looks like, yeah, it's going to take a little break, the moisture flow, but then we're going to get back into business on throughout all of next week. The reason we're having this day-to-day today is that tropical moisture I've been talking about that's being shoved our direction by trough of low pressure that's going to continue to supply us with the necessary fuel for showers and those embedded thunderstorms day after day after, watch the clock, after day, Thursday and Friday. It just keeps pumping on in, and you throw in a little daytime heating, and you've got yourself that little rain engine that's just going to chug a chug a chug. Now, the Weather Prediction Center says 1/4 of an inch to 3/4 of an inch. I say, no, more than that. I think we'll get 1 inch to 2 inches on top of what we've already had, mid to upper valley, and 3 to 4 inches lower valley. Again, on top of what we've already seen, which, what we've seen so far the last couple days, 1/2 inch near Brownsville, 1.5 inches near Raymondville, more than 1 inch near Alton. Yeah, nearly 1 inch at McAllen, so that's good. And the tropical snapshot, while you're here, while I have your attention, remains just completely tranquil. We've got a lot of dust out there from Africa across the Atlantic, and we also have upper-level air conditions that are not favorable for development. 7-day forecast shows each and every day we're going to see development of showers and thunder showers, but it's pretty much harmless. That's